In this video, we're going to show you how to integrate GetResponse with Ghost, which is not as simple as you might think. If you've been searching for a quick guide on getting these two platforms to work together, stay tuned. I'll break down the integration process step by step and give you some insights into whether this is really the best solution for your needs. Let's dive in. First things first, GetResponse is a powerful email marketing tool, and Ghost is a platform for creating blogs and newsletters. The idea of integrating the two seems great on paper, but it does require some steps. Next thing you need to do is sign up for both platforms, of course. You'll need a GetResponse account for managing your email campaigns and a Ghost account for publishing your content. If you don't already have them, getting started is pretty straightforward on both ends. Once you've got both accounts ready, you need to head to your Ghost admin panel. Ghost doesn't have a built-in integration with GetResponse, so you'll need to make use of third-party tools or Zapier for connecting them. That's the workaround many users go with. Zapier allows you to automate tasks between GetResponse and Ghost. Now, when setting up Zapier, you'll create a zap that triggers actions in GetResponse based on events in Ghost. For example, when you publish a new blog post, you can automatically add people to a GetResponse email list or trigger a welcome email. It sounds simple enough, but depending on your needs, it can get a little complicated. The third thing you'll need to do is configure the zap. When you create a new zap, you'll choose Ghost as the trigger app and GetResponse as the action app. You'll then define exactly what action happens when a new blog post is published in Ghost. Maybe you want to add subscribers to your GetResponse email list, or perhaps send them a specific campaign. It's all about setting up those automations to save you time. The fourth thing is monitoring your integration. While Zapier works well for many, it's not perfect. You might face delays, or sometimes zaps won't trigger as expected. So make sure to test everything before you rely on it completely. This is a good time to tweak your workflows and see if you need any adjustments. But here's the thing, while GetResponse and Ghost integration is possible, it's not the most seamless solution. If you're looking for more reliable and easy-to-manage integrations, there are alternatives that might suit your needs better. Tools like ConvertKit or MailerLite offer more built-in integrations with platforms like Ghost, giving you smoother automation. Lastly, if you're not feeling GetResponse after hearing all this, don't worry. I've got a better alternative for you that comes with a free trial. Through our link, you'll get an exclusive and extended trial, plus some other benefits that are only available to our viewers. You'll get to try something that works better for the goal of email marketing and blog management. So, while integrating GetResponse with Ghost can work with the right setup, it may not be the easiest or most reliable route. But the good news is, there are great alternatives out there that can give you a much smoother experience with much less hassle. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for your exclusive free trial and benefits. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.